sorry about that. I just wanted to make sure the camera was working right. You just never know. Whenever I get a call in, sometimes it wants to stop. But anyhow, we have friends all over the United States, and it would be great to be able to just jump in a plane or a jet and just fly out and see them and enjoy a little bit more time. I mean, I have a son that's in Tennessee. He's doing phenomenal, and it would give me an opportunity where I can just jump in there and go see him when needed, which would be great. And plus, it gives us an opportunity to start bringing some of these old relics back to life again and give them a new life. It's always pretty awesome to see, really. So, support your local aviation. They're great people. Personally, really never met a bad one in the clan. The local airports would love to see you. Would love to give your kids a ride if they've never been up in an airplane. Aviation is definitely a family-oriented sport. There's no doubt. And it gives you freedom like you've never had before. So moving on, then we've got the Chevy Chevette, 1978 model, 36,000 miles on it, original. Got a big order for that one too. We're going to flip that one into a $200,000 muscle car. So we're going to try to make all this happen as quick as I possibly can. But I am making these videos myself, editing them myself, and just learning the process. So again, any comments that you guys want to leave, good, bad, ugly, or indifferent, to help me out making these videos, highly appreciated. I love the constructive criticism. We don't have to get ugly about it, because we already know that I don't know what I'm doing here. This is just I'm winging it, if you would call it that. So, but I mean, if you feel like you need to get ugly, hey, I'm here. My shoulders are big. I can hold a lot, and if it makes your day better to slam me, I'm all right with it. I still love you guys anyhow. So the Chevette, we're going to flip it, like I said, into a $200,000 muscle car. And then we've got the house that we bought on a foreclosure, and we're going to flip it into a mansion. Still haven't got a price on the mansion yet, just because the ridiculousness price of real estate right now. It's hard to actually say, hey, I'm going to give $3 million for this mansion, to when maybe 2-3 years from now, that mansion might be a little shoebox for that kind of money. So I want to try to wait on that one there. But I will tell you, we're basically starting out with $100,000 on the house. And we'll flip that house, and we'll hopefully double our money on that. If not, with the market the way it is, triple. And then we'll put all that money back into the next house, which will be a larger house, a better piece of property. And we will show you can build. It just takes a little time, a little effort, a little sweat on the brow, and a lot of money management. The key there is money management. So, yeah. Please follow along with us. Again, please comment, because I'm learning from you just as I hope you learn from me. And throughout the time, we'll have other people over here, and we'll introduce them that are very knowledgeable people in their fields as well. But anything to help out anyone that feels like they might be a little struggle, or even if they just want to get that much further ahead in life. That's what we're trying to do for you guys. And for ourselves as well. Because if you read my bio, you'll understand. I'm just a guy trying to make it as well. So we aren't much far off. So thank you again, and like, share, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and follow along, and let's make this happen. Thanks. Hey guys, Chad with Flipping Out. No, I haven't ever taken the time to actually explain what my thought process is on this channel. The long and the short of it is to show you guys that you can pretty much start with anything and end up with anything your mind can think of. For instance, we've got the Hyundai Santa Fe. We're going to be flipping that Santa Fe that we paid $950 for into a floor plan. What a floor plan is for a car dealer, it's how we purchase vehicles. Some of us go out and get a bank loan. Some of us, use our own money. They have companies out there that are called floor plan companies that just loan money specifically for an auto dealer to purchase the vehicle. And I've yet to find a floor plan company that will let you purchase the vehicle plus give you the money to fix it up, whatever it may need. So it just helps us be able to continue to run our operations and not have to worry about having the money of the vehicle out of our pocket as well. So they charge us an interest only and then a fee per month to be able to use the floor plan. For us at Tri-County Motors, which is the name of the car lot, we have our own floor plan, so we run on our own money. And the reason why you're probably asking, well, why are you flipping for a floor plan? To show you guys out there that may want to get in the car business, you can. It just takes a little dirt underneath the fingernails and a little elbow grease, and you can make it happen. That's the reason why. For you fellas and gals out there that want to be able to be in the car business and just can't figure out how to be able to move your money. Well, always remember, with anything in life, you got to crawl before you walk. So we're going to show you how to crawl. And then slowly you'll get up and you'll start walking. And that money will rotate. And you'll see the difference. As if you continue to watch the channel, you subscribe and ring the bell for the notifications, you'll be able to see it with the Santa Fe. For me, I love aviation. I've loved aviation since I stepped foot on I think it was a Piper Cherokee 140 when I was probably 7-8 years old. And from that moment I stepped on that wing, I was hooked. It took me a little bit later in life to be able to get my license, but I did achieve that. But for the little Hovey Delta Hawk, we're going to take it and we're going to flip it into the Honda Jet. Can I afford it right now? No. But we'll see how it goes. But how cool would it be to be able to own a Honda Jet? So we're going to go for it. And as I said, I give myself 24 months to make that happen. That's a big haul. But if I accomplish this, or even if I come remotely close to that, it'll still show you guys you can do it.